I have a very specific process that I teach organizations to use to develop any role, but part of it is actually finding a way to create common philosophy and common nomenclature. And so the three areas that I try to focus on in this common philosophical or common nomenclature space is communications, negotiations, and leadership. Well, when you look at the competencies and behaviors model, you can see the connection between the different leadership levels, and you can actually create a common approach, a common language, common philosophy out of the types of training that we have in the certification space. And so what you end up with, if you actually send a team through this, is a common way to view the world, and that just accelerates the team's ability to respond to the problems in their processes.